By the end of this video, you will know how to update your phone number in TurboTax. If you are already signed into TurboTax, start from the main account area and look to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down that menu until you find Intuit account, then click it to open your account settings. This takes you out of the tax return workspace and into the section where your sign-in details and security settings are managed. Once you are in your Intuit account, move to the menu on the left again and select Sign In and Security. This is the section that holds your current sign-in information, including the phone number linked to the account. After that page opens, look under Sign-in Info and find the phone entry. On the right side of that row, click the arrow to open the phone settings. On the phone screen, you will see your current phone number listed. Next to that number, click Change. A field will appear where you can enter the replacement number. In the Add Your New Phone field, type your new phone number carefully. Make sure you enter the number you want tied to the account before moving ahead, since the verification code will be sent there. After the new number is entered, click Save. TurboTax will then ask how you want to receive your verification code. Depending on what is available for your account, you may see options such as text message, voice message, or both. Choose the delivery method you want to use for the code, then click Continue. At this point, watch for the verification code sent to your new phone number. When it arrives, enter that code into the verification field on screen and complete the verification step. If the page takes a moment to update after you submit the code, wait for it to finish before moving away. The account needs to confirm the new number before the change appears in your security settings. Once verification is complete, go back to Sign In and Security. Look again under the Phone section and confirm that your new number now appears there. This final check makes sure the account information was updated successfully and that the number shown is the one you just added. Thanks for watching. Your phone number is now updated in TurboTax.